So you've heard about vegan, vegetarian, flexitarian, pescatarian, and now you're wondering what's plant-based and how can it help me? I'm just gonna give it to you straight. A plant-based diet can help you lose weight, improve your gut health, and it can also help prevent high cholesterol, diabetes, and heart disease. But it can also lead to low energy levels and insufficient protein and iron intake. So, what is a plant-based diet? A plant-based diet basically consists of minimally processed foods and it focuses on vegetables, fruits, legumes, healthy fats, and whole grain food. Fun fact, actually, plant-based diets allow you to incorporate just a little bit of dairy, meat, or fish, depending on your preference. So that's one main difference from a vegetarian or a vegan diet is that it does allow the incorporation of some type of meat or fish or dairy, which makes it honestly a really flexible type of diet. Obviously, you're watching this video because you're looking to adapt a health and wellness regime, and this is something that you've been thinking about switching up into either vegan, vegetarian, or plant-based diet, and you're really not sure which one is for you. But I'm here to tell you that, girl, the plant-based diet is accurately rated, not under, not over, but accurately rated. And as a Latina, we love to eat our chicken, we love to eat our, beef stew and things like that. But when I tell you, the plant-based diet girlies, they've been onto something for a while. After eating everything from Beyond Meat burgers to not chicken pasta, I know a thing or two about plant-based diets, and I'm just gonna give you a few top 3 takeaways. Before we go into that, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're looking for more videos on how to become a better, healthier version of you. First thing is, when you start a plant-based diet, you will be hungry all the time. You will be like looking at the clock, thinking about how you just ate half an hour ago and you're still literally starving. I don't know if anyone else felt this way during their the beginning of their journey. Feel free to comment below if you did, but like hungry all the time. And even if you're eating filling things that normally with me you would be super full and satiated, like maybe a bowl of pasta or burger and fries, your stomach is not expanding to the depth that it wouldn't usually expand to with the inclusion of meat. And so it's a learning curve. Like it takes a lot to kind of abstain from overeating, the wrong types of foods, like really high sugary, highly processed foods. But that's the point, right? Because we're trying to go plant-based, we're trying to be healthy baddies, and you will be hungry. Your body is literally shredding those fruits and veggies like there's no tomorrow. And if you didn't know, meat can stay in your gut and take as long as 3 days to process and fully metabolize. So with the absence of that, there's just nothing really holding your engine from burning through all of that fuel. So you're hungry a lot. So just be paired with snacks that are in the right category of what you're trying to eat. It's also really difficult to find the right protein sources. Now, I know there's gonna be somebody in the comments saying, hey, you can eat all the tofu, you can eat soy, you can eat tempeh. But to me, no, girl. It's just going from such a very heavy protein, not heavy, I would say moderately protein based diet to something that is completely different. It's a very big shock in the beginning. But let me know if you've tried like any Beyond Meats, like the Beyond Meat burger meat or the Beyond Meat chicken. I personally like the Beyond Meat chicken nuggets. Like I can get down with those. But yeah, comment below your thoughts. The next thing is that waist. Your waist, honey, will be snatched. Okay? Like for the first couple of days, you'll be looking in the mirror like, excuse, is that Miss Girl? Because she looks good, okay? She is giving body. She is giving curvature. She is giving like snatched and real nice figure. Real little thing. That's what she's giving, okay? She's giving plant-based diet. No, but seriously, like you will reduce your bloating. Like, what is bloating? Who is she? I don't know her at this point. With the plant-based diet, like your bloating goes out the window. And it's really hard to overeat on veggies. Like if you think about it, you can eat a whole entire lump sum of salad or veggies. Even when you eat rice, like it's just not the same as eating rice and protein because your body only has to burn through one source versus two sources of fuel. So it's just different, you know, and your body responds very well to it. Okay, girl. The last thing that is probably the most underrated thing is that you will regulate your bowels. Okay. Like these first couple of days, you will be going to the bathroom 2 to 3 times, maybe even 4 times a day, depending on how much vegetables you were eating prior to starting your plant-based diet. You will be in that bathroom, girl. You in the bathroom will be besties. You in the bathroom will be besties for life, okay? Because this plant-based diet runs right through you. And that's another reason why you're always hungry. It's like you eat something, you gotta go to the bathroom. You eat something, you gotta go to the bathroom. And you are so regular. And it's honestly such a liberating and invigorating thing because you don't feel sluggish, you don't feel heavy, you honestly feel pretty energized, pretty light on your feet, and just overall really good. Like generally good. It also helps in weight loss, right? Because you're improving your digestion, you're improving, you know, your bowel movements, your metabolism is on fire and it's working really, really efficiently. And all of those things coupled with each other leads to weight loss. My overall recommendation is if you want to give plant-based diet a try this year, really just start by slowly incorporating meatless days, maybe like once or twice a week, and then ramp yourself up to 2 to 3 days a week, and then eventually only 1 day a week with meat. Also, I should have to say, don't do it for social media. Don't do it for the hype. Don't do it because, you know, your favorite influencer, me, just kidding, is incorporating this new diet. Do it for you, sis. Like, do it because you feel like you want to challenge yourself. You feel like you want to have more energy. You feel like you want to improve your gut health. You feel like you want to really just focus on wholesome foods that make you feel good and fill you up with the right nutrients. Do it because you feel that it's time to make a change in your diet and it's time to just step it up a little bit and test yourself. See how far you can go with this. And even if you don't stick with it for, you know, more than a month or 2 or 3 months, like it's okay. You tried it and you evaluated whether it was good for you or improved your mood or improved, you know, how you feel in general, and whether you continue with it like for life or not, it's entirely up to you. Comment below what path you're thinking about, if you're thinking of going plant-based with just strictly no meat, kind of more of a vegan take, or if you're looking to be flexible and incorporate the meat too, because it's no pressure at all. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and as always, if nobody believes in you, I believe in you, sis. Love you, girl. Bye.